Welcome back to the second installment of our vintage floor lamp restoration series. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of brass metal plating, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Now, to make this process simpler, we'll be using the plug and plate wand, an incredible tool that takes the complexity out of brass plating. Let's get started. The plug and plate wand is designed for ease. It's attached to the red plug on the power pack, and the alligator clip is secured to your workpiece. Next, we've got this absorbent bandage at the end of the wand, which we've already soaked in our plating solution for a few seconds. This is where the magic happens. With swift brush strokes on the metal components, the circuit closes and the plating metal bearing solution gets to work, depositing its beautiful layers of real brass onto the metal. You'll be amazed as you witness the transformation happening right before your eyes, with the metal components regaining their brass-plated luster and shine. If you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to show your support. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and fellow do-it-yourself enthusiasts. Your support truly makes a difference and helps us bring you more informative and exciting videos like this one. Thank you for being a part of our community. With a bit of patience and practice, you'll be able to achieve that gorgeous, flawless brass finish that makes vintage pieces truly stand out. Plating process, while incredibly rewarding, can take a bit of time as the layers build up. Each stroke with the plug and plate wand adds a thin layer of brass, gradually transforming the surface. It's a labor of love, where patience and precision are key. But remember, as those layers accumulate, the result is nothing short of stunning. A vintage piece reborn with a lustrous and enduring finish that's bound to captivate admirers for generations to come. As you delve into the brass plating process, it's important to remember to thoroughly wipe away any excess solution with a soft cloth. It's crucial not to overlook the finer details. Don't forget those edges and corners of your cherished piece. Every nook and cranny deserves the same attention. Thorough and even plating across the entire surface ensures that your vintage treasure will shine brilliantly from every angle. So pay close attention, apply those brush strokes diligently, and let your commitment to excellence shine through in every facet of your restoration project. After the brass metal plating process, it's essential to ensure a flawless finish. To achieve this, use an abrasive cleanser like Comet to gently remove any plating residue and polish the surface. This step not only enhances the shine of your newly plated brass components, but also ensures a clean and professional look for your vintage lamp restoration project. And there you have it. Brass plating made easy with the plug-and-plate plating kit. The metal plating gleams brightly, showcasing its newfound shine, and is now primed and ready for the final step, a flawless lacquer finish. Don't forget to check the video description for convenient links to the products used in this restoration process. Everything you need is just a click away. Exciting times lie ahead as we gear up for our next video installment. In our upcoming episode, we'll explore the art of metal color dyeing and lacquering, a critical phase in the restoration process that brings out the lamp's unique character and beauty. From choosing the perfect hues to the meticulous application of lacquer, we'll take you through each step to achieve that flawless finish. But that's not all. We'll also delve into the reassembly of our vintage floor lamp, putting all the meticulously restored components back together. Stay tuned for an unforgettable journey of craftsmanship and transformation right here on our channel. As you wrap up this fascinating brass plating journey, be sure to return for part 3, where we will add the final touches and unveil the fully restored masterpiece. It's the moment we've all been waiting for, where all the meticulous work comes together to reveal the true beauty of our vintage floor lamp. Be sure to join us in the grand finale of this captivating restoration series. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey of lamp restoration. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting do-it-yourself projects. As we wrap up this chapter in our restoration endeavor, remember that every project brings new opportunities for creativity and craftsmanship. May all your restoration projects be joyous ones, filled with the satisfaction of breathing new life into cherished vintage treasures. Until next time, happy restoring.